Alright, so I see that little heat shield goes over that motor mount. I cut off the end of the bolts with a, trying to find my hammer, whatever I'm thinking, with a cutting wheel. I'm not going to use these. These are cracking up pretty good. But just trying to get this to come off of here the best I can. Then whoever do the engine, or maybe I'll heat these up later and see if I can get these off of here. Oh, but that thing just don't wanna come off of there. Wow. It's on there pretty good, guys. But it looked like that's about to crack. There it go. All right. I'm telling you, these. Watch the camera. And this heat shield is all messed up. Alright, but at least I got the manifolds off of there. So now I pull the valve cover, pull the heads. Alright, so then pulling the valve covers off. I just probably should have sprayed this engine off before I start tearing it apart with all the leaves and stuff that had gathered in there from the car sitting there with the tarp over it. But seeing the fact that this engine will be getting rebuilt, I'm not going to really worry about these. Now what I like to do with these guys is, you might not be able to see that there. See if but these are bowled down. What I like to do is set them in the vise and hit them right in the middle and bend the ends almost flat, but just going the opposite way just a little bit, because after years of tightening down, they really don't clamp on the ends like they should. And that's why you probably could get valve cover leaking even after you change leakage, after you change your valve cover gaskets. But I just like to hammer them down just a little bit and kind of go from there. But to each his own, guys. If you don't agree with what I'm saying, it's okay to comment. Just be nice about it, you know. And guys, hey, I'm doing another channel that don't show me working on cars, and then I'm not only just featuring Buicks, I'm featuring all classics. And I can put one of you guys' Buick on here, on this Buick channel, the same thing I put on the classics channel, and right away they end up with more views and more likes than on All Things Buick channel. Now this is the channel that I really was hoping to take off, because there's not a lot of Buick channels out there, guys. But you know, you guys gotta help me get the numbers up. Otherwise, you know, why should I keep doing this channel? Everybody says, oh, I just love this channel. You know, it's all Buick's channel. Well, you know, like the videos, guys. Comment, subscribe. The more you like, you like the videos and you subscribe, then my numbers go up and everything. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, even though my mop picks seem to do more than me doing this type of work, but if you one of those that do like the my picks and want to see my builds, subscribe and like the channel, guys, so I can constantly say, okay, I'm gonna take out the time and keep editing. I have to edit these videos. It takes a lot of time, and I won't be sharing the builds on the other channel. So if everybody just like me doing the walkarounds, or I can get better more views off of just doing the walkarounds, then I'll probably keep doing this channel, but I just won't be posting as much. So guys, if you enjoy watching these in the winter time, it's nothing to do, subscribe and like the videos and comment. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna be trying to start going live and get a few guys, Buick guys, that know a little bit about Buicks, or know a lot about Buicks, not a little bit, to start coming on there once a week for about an hour show, featuring different guys around the country with their Buicks. And maybe the topic might be the 67 Riviera, or the 73 Electra, or hey, the 76 or 77 Regal, the Wildcat. But I got to get the numbers up, guys, for me to say, okay, I think this other stuff will work, because the channel is thriving. But guys, get the numbers up around here. Let me know you appreciate what I'm doing, and let me know you like what I'm doing, and that way I can keep doing what I'm doing. But alright, guys, so anyway, here, just show you what I do is I take me a little brake cleaner. I'm going to clean the front of this off, and then I'm going to take some of my tape. I tape around here, put an arrow towards front, letting my engine builder know. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but I'm going to mark this as front. I'll come in and show you here in a minute what I'm talking about. Alright, so let me look in here. I know this engine is bad, but those don't look bad. It's not the worst of the inside. A little sludge though, but it's not the worst of an engine that I've ever seen. Alright guys, so like I said, I write left side front on here. It's easy to work with this without gloves on, but we're gonna make it happen. Or maybe I should have did this, I should have wrote this the other way. But anyway, so I'm gonna just come in here and I'm gonna wrap, probably broke off too big of a piece of tape, but let me make this arrow turn up the other way, but letting them know that this is the front of this shaft. So left side, I could put 455 on here. But I already got a bin that as soon as I get done, I'm putting all the parts in. So that'll let him know that this is the front. This is the front of and the left side for the rockers there, guys. Alright guys, so this is how I normally do it. I know, you know, people say stick them in boxes, whatever. You know, that's fine if you're taking them out, putting them back in. You know, I got the back, so that would be from the back of the engine towards the front of the engine, and then on top. But now, what I noticed on this side is quite a few of them. These are wearing. These was wearing right around there, and I don't understand why they would be wearing right there, guys. But I don't know what's. Let me set this in here. What was this? Oh, look at that. For some reason, these was wearing. They was hitting the block some kind of way here, guys. I mean, the inside of the head moving around on this side. So all of these got a little wear on them. So I'm gonna just get all new push rods, guys. But if I was like tearing this engine apart, putting it back together, everything was good. If I wasn't getting it rebuilt, that's kind of how I do that, guys. You know, you can put them in box, but this way, I know if the box get knocked over, I ain't got to worry about it. But I think I'm not even going to worry about these now. The other side wasn't as bad, but if I'm going to replace one side, I might as well, I'm going to just do all of them. Like this one, this one ain't bad. And I could probably get away. Look at that. And some of them not wore as bad as others. But man, I don't understand. I don't know if I ever seen that before. Anybody know what's going on there? Let me know. But I will give them to the engine builder, at least the worst one, and let him kind of see, you know, he could kind of figure out what's going on with this here, guys. So, alright, so I'm going to pull this intake on off and then get these heads off of here and go from there. Alright. Alright, so I broke all of these loose already, so now that I got them all broke loose, just get them off of here real fast. Because this snap-on gun I got, it won't break loose. Nothing at all, so. I know you don't really want to take, you know, break stuff loose like this, but. Alright, so let me, I just want to get the thermostat housing off of here. I want to take this stuff off while it's still secure. I still got one bolt in there. So I want to see if this will turn off. So let me come in here and see if I can get all this stuff off of here. So yeah, so I like using the biggest tool that I can get, crescent wrench or whatever, just give me more leverage. But oh wow, that's turning off of there pretty easy. See, I'm going to be sandblasting and painting this intake, so all of this stuff needs to come off of here, guys. So